keep on. To continue doing something. Example: she kept on studying even though she was tired. Look out. To be careful or vigilant. Example: look out. There's a car coming. Breakdown. To stop functioning, for machinery, or to lose control emotionally. Example: she broke down on the way to the airport. Cut off. To disconnect or interrupt. Example: the phone call was cut off due to bad reception. Bring back. To return something. Example: it's my book. Please give it back to me. Bring up. To mention something in conversation. Example: she brought up an interesting point during the meeting. Come over. To visit someone's place. Example: why don't you come over to my house for dinner? Pass out. To faint or lose consciousness. Example: he passed out from exhaustion. Carry on. To continue. Example: despite the challenges, she carried on with her plan. Drop out. To quit a course or activity. Example: he dropped out of college to start his own business. Eat out. To dine at a restaurant. Example: we decided to eat out at a new Italian place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.